Hey, Peppers. Good puppies. Uh-oh, that was a scary noise, huh? Puppies. 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 Good boy. Puppies. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Babies. Now the furnace stopped running, so I literally just brought them in here. Never been in here before. This is just our shop. I've also never had collars on before, so you'll see some of them scratching at their collars. So he doesn't have a collar. And I put him on the other ones just so you could tell them apart a little bit. We got the blue collar. Hi. We have, that one's got a pink collar because that's just what I found. This one's got a red collar. So, none of them are very happy about being in here. You can tell by all the whining, but no one's real terrified. All pretty even dogs. As you saw with that little trick thing there, he was more brave than the other one, which has been consistent throughout the whole 8 or 6 weeks, 7 weeks, whatever they are now. I know, you don't like it in here. Anyway, no one's really scared though. They're all pretty bold pups. Go babies. What do you think of that plastic, huh? Can I get you to walk over this one? You can. Come here, puppies. Puppies. Good puppies. Oh, you didn't go through that anyway. Come here, puppy. Good baby. Good babies. Good babies. This one is obviously, he's always been the most adventurous one. And apparently he's also the most trusting. Or that could just be because he's naturally adventurous anyway, so it don't really bother him. Yeah, pretty even-keeled little dogs. I would say he has been one of the more timid ones, but as you can see now, he ain't being very phased, so. What do you want? What do you want, big boy? What I would say about that one is he is really independent. Very independent. That's why you don't notice him, I found out. He's just never around. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Good boy. No, you're not gonna come. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. And this is the red try. What are you complaining about, huh? Yeah, so I would say that about that one. He's the most adventurous, very, very sweet, loves people. He is very noisy. Not just in general, but if something's not going his way, he gets really mad. Or like right now, he's not happy about being in here, so he's being the more whiny one. Aren't you? Yeah, you're silly. That's a big fat boy. I don't know. I would say he's more similar to that one. He's slightly independent and a little bit not quite as confident as these two, but he's a pretty good dog too. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, puppy? Good babies. Good babies. What'd you see? What made you nervous, huh? You don't like those puddles? It's just wet. You'll be fine. Yeah, so that's kind of that. None of them are nervous about being in here much. I mean, yeah, they're nervous. That's why they're whining, but they're all trotting around, tails up, just exploring stuff, and so no one's too terrified. No one's terrified at all. Guess if you're gonna pee on the floor, that's a good place to pee, right on the top of that board. Come on, puppies. Good puppies. Come on, buddy. This one's a really solid dog. Really confident and friendly and wants to work with you. Not noisy like him. Yeah, that's the biggest difference between those two. Aw, babies. Come on, baby. Good boy. It's a good boy. Yeah. You guys ready to go home? Your collar's not coming off, squealer. Why are you so noisy, huh? Okay, maybe we'll go try the girls. It's gonna be a real short video because it's very cold out here. And of course, they like playing in the cold. 3 of you are smart and inside the house. So quick update. They made shambles of that, so I need to glue that together. And then they decided they were gonna go bathroom all right in there, not in their box. So now they are fenced in here for a while, see if we can get that straightened out. Hey, babies. They're pooping in that box pretty well. They're peeing on the floor, but whatever. They ate their carpet, so now they have a dog bed. You're a sassy little thing. The snow's making my camera all dark. What you doing? What you doing, little pupper? You don't know. You kind of like your dad. You always gotta be saying something, huh? Huh? Yeah. Talking to you. Who's over here? Hey, Mr. Independent. You ready to come in? Are we eating some salad? Why are you being so sassy? Goodness. I know. You're so sassy. Yeah. Come here. Good boy. What you doing? What you doing?